very important section of financial management is investment appraisal. Appraisal. So we can talk about this section, that investment appraisal section can be categorized into three areas main. One is investment appraisal techniques. The other is called as adjustments in investment appraisal. And the third is called as specific decisions regarding or using the investment appraisal. So, three areas basically there are related to investment appraisal section in your syllabus. So then we talk about investment appraisal techniques. And there are 5 techniques basically. ARR, accounting rate of return, which you called as ROS as well, return on capital employed. Then is payback period method. Then is discounted payback. Then is net present value. And then comes IRR, internal rate of return. So these 5 methods of investment appraisals are there. We will talk about that in detail shortly. Now comes the adjustments. Now, what are the adjustments in investment appraisal? That is the risk adjustment, uncertainty adjustment, risk and uncertainty, and then impact of capital rationing on the investment appraisal. Then comes specific decisions. So 2 decisions which are taken on the basis of investment appraisal using NPV. First, that is asset replacement decision. And the second is lease or buy decisions. That we should get the asset on lease, or it should be on we should buy it. So this is the overview of the section of investment appraisal. This section is very much important from exam point of view. How? Because this constitutes around, if I say, 40% of your syllabus. Yes. How 40%? Because it has some linkage and impact on WAC as well, other areas as well. Because the knowledge you gain here, concept you get here, will be utilized over there as well. So 40% syllabus, and in exam, you are expected to see around 30% to 40% paper from here as well. 30% in exam, 30 to 40% paper in all sections, particularly section C, which is constructive response question. You may see a big scenario question on it. And of course, A and B section are there as well. Now, so let us stop it here and we will continue with the next video.